and then just kind of loosen it away.
You want to jump in, maybe?
Whatever you want to, tag out. Right here. I want to do the chicken, yeah?
Anyway, look, it's too early, Debbie.
Which is great. Love is awesome.
Are we loving Debbie?
Yeah, it's very cute.
He's kissing me over the dead animals.
Freak you out, baby?
A little bit. I'm trying to keep my head in the game. And you're like, I love you. And I'm like, oh, God.
Why is there love happening right now?
Tell me, Dad.
Let's kill more.
This is like a mild pinch of the skin to me. Look at that.
Yeah.
I think that water must have been really hot.
When we first put it in.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see the skin peeling on that one too.
Oh, that's just there's 2 layers of skin. This will almost always happen. A little peel on the outer layer
Gotcha.
as it starts to dry. So that was just the reason that you got for. Maybe we'll make something soon.
That's sorry. This is for my vlog.
You're dripping on me there, killer.
That's ironic.
I know. I just called it killer.
I don't think he's laughing.
Do you count it?
I do, I see it. I just can't
Get to it? God damn, it's like intended. Get through something flesh or something.
Get in there with your fingers.
Would you like a turn, baby?
You are welcome to use the towel at my shelf.
Pull up your sleeve so you don't get
Pulling it out.
moved
You
all
don't
over.
think
Rip it away.
Ted, see mine here? It's still in there. It's loosened. It's loosened so that I can get it pulled out the other side. And then I trace it is also loosened.
Ooh.
And this is called what again?
The crop.
The crock.
Crop. C-R-O-P.
Oh, of course.
All right, you win.
See, I told you, baby. I wasn't just being a weenie.
It really is the hardest part of chicken.
Is it?
Yeah. The hardest part of chicken is when I get my lungs out.
I'm so excited to feel their lungs.
Oh, yeah. And I know. Now, I recently had to put down a pig, or a pig died, and I was there with guys, so it was just dissected out, twist it back to it. And the lungs in the pig are so freaking different than the lungs in the pig. I didn't even realize it was a lungs.
There it is.
Cool.
Good job, baby.
I remember, in the long run, this one's just a piece of chicken. So, it's just very peaceful for me. It's not roasting very much. That'll be some stir-fried right now.
Yum.
Yeah, it's making all kinds of
Like
noise.
noises, yeah.
You ready to go the other side? Oh, I think you've got it pretty well.
Did I get it?
I think so, pretty well. Slow enough. We're going to go to the other side. Flip the bird around. Now.
Oh, stuff is not totally loosened.
Oh, you're ready?
What is that? The windpipe?
Yeah,
stop
the
your
trachea.
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 Trachea is the windpipe, yeah.
Yeah. That one bite. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, is that the chicken in there?
Yeah, there's a chicken in there.
Chicken.
Okay. So, you see where it changes color? And you have skin there?
Yeah.
That's not where you cut.
Okay.
See the dimple there?
Yep.
That's where you cut. And you can cut it to the side. And if you cut at the dimple, then the leg will just come off.
So the dimple right here?
That's it. And nature very kindly gave us 2, which